Okay, now it's recording. Okay, this is Scamp. This is the puppy. He was born August 30th, 2009. And he is out of Shiza and Keeper. Hi, Scamp. Hi, Scamp. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Look.
There you go.
He's happy. Happy dog, happy dog. Happy dog. You smell like liver. He's just kind of like a blur on the camera. Let's see if I can get his other. Okay. I'm gonna try to get his other side, but Scamp, Scamp.
Okay, there you go.
There he is. There he is. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Okay, now Layla.
It's okay. Good boy.
Good boy, Scamp.
Yeah.
Scamp. Scamp.
Good.
I think Layla makes him nervous.
It's okay. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay.
Oh, he's happy. Scamp. And there he goes. Yep, he knows there's a treat under there. Oh, good boy. Okay, guys. Scamp, where'd you go? There he is. Come, Scamp. Good boy. Good boy. He likes that. Good job. Okay.
Good boy.
Okay.